One of the best ways to organize information in Word so that it can be easily read and understood is to create a table in your document. A table breaks up your content into easily digestible chunk of information. You can use tables for many different types of content, from a calendar to a tabular list. A table consists of a set of columns and rows meeting to form cells that contain the information in text or numeric format. When you create and select a table, Word's Table Tools tabs are available on the ribbon, with one tab for design and the other to change the layout of your table. By selecting individual cells, columns, or rows, you can reformat the look of your table. Or you can use the Table Styles gallery in the Design tab to quickly add a specific format to your table. Insert a table into your document. The easiest way to create a table is to place your cursor in the spot where you want to insert the table. Then use the Table button on the Insert tab to drag out the configuration of the table you want, setting up the number of columns and rows. After you create a table, the Table Tool tabs of the ribbon is available to let you change its layout or design. So now, let's see the video.
To insert a table into your document, please follow the following steps. On the Insert tab, click Table. Drag your mouse through the number of rows and columns you want in your table and release the left mouse button. The table is now inserted into the document. Begin typing your information into the table. You can use the Draw Table option when you click the Table button in the Insert tab to create a free format table. When you click Draw Table, your cursor turns into a pen and you can draw lines for borders. You also can create your own rows and columns by dragging and releasing the left mouse button. You can use the cell size groups of the Layout tabs of the table tools to automatically adjust the width and height of column and row.
Change the text alignments in the table. With the table active, you can select the text in the header rows and use the layout tapes of the table tool to change its alignments and also make other changes to its appearance. So now, let's see the video.
To change the text alignment in the table, please follow the following steps. First, drag through a row of text to select it. Click the layout tapes of the table tools of the ribbon. Click the center middle icon in the alignment groups to center your column heading.
Add or delete rows or columns in the table. You can add or remove rows or columns from your table by first selecting an adjacent row or column. Then click the Insert Below or Insert Above options in the row and column groups of the table tool layout tape. So now, let's see the video.
To add or delete rows or columns in a table, please follow the following steps. With your cursor in the cells to which you want to add another row or column, click Select in the table group of the layout tape of the table tool. Here you can click Select Row or Select Columns. With the row or column selected, click Insert Below or Insert Above in the row and column groups. You can select any cell, rows, or columns and click the Delete button to delete it.
Merging cells into one cell. You can combine a group of formatted cells into one larger cell by using the Merge Cells button in the layout tapes of the table tools. This gives you more rooms within the table for more text and possible summary of information. So now, let's see the video.
To merge in multiple cells into one cell, Please follow the following steps. First, in the new row, drag through cells you want to combine to select them. Click Merge Cell. You can now type new information in the merged cell. If you need to divide the information in a cell, you can select it and click the Split Cell button in the Merge Groups of the Layout tabs of Table Tools.
Change the borders in table. You can add or remove the border of all or part of the table you have created, and also adjust the thickness and line color of the borders using the design tapes of the Table Tools. So now, let's see the video.
To change the borders in table, please follow the following steps. First, with your cursor in the table, click Select in the table groups of the Layout tab of the Table tool. Click Select Table. Click the Design tab of Table tool. Click the border drop-down arrow. Click No Border to clear the border of your table. Click the Pen Color drop-down arrow. Choose a new color for the border. Click the border drop-down arrow. Click All Border. The new colored borders are in the table. You can also add shadings to the backgrounds of selected cells by using the shading drop-down arrow in the Table Styles groups in the Design tab.
Set up styles for the table. Word allows you to quickly change the appearance of a table using the table style in the design tapes of the Table Tools on the ribbon. Select the table and then see a quick preview of one or more styles in the Table Styles gallery, and click to apply the style. So now, let's see the video.
To set up style for the table, please follow the following steps. First, with your cursor in the table, click Design in Table Tool. Click More in the Table Styles gallery. Scroll through the table styles. Hover over a table style to see a quick preview. Click it to apply the table style. Click the style and a new style is applied to the table. you use the manual design tool or the table style to create a table with a style you want to save and reuse, you can click More in Table Styles and save that style by clicking New Table Style, then give it a name and click OK.
Use Quick Table to create a table. Quick tables are sample tables that already have been filled in with content so that when you put them into your document, you can revise the text in the table for your own purpose. So now let's see the video.
To use Quick Table to create a table, please follow the following steps. First, with the insertion point placed where you want a quick table to appear, click Table on the Insert tab of the ribbon. Click Quick Table. Scroll down through the Quick Table gallery and click a Quick Table style to insert it. The Quick Tables is ready to be added. Replace the content in the Quick Table with your own information. You can sort the information in your table by selecting a columns and clicking Sort in the Data Groups of the Layout tab of Table Tools. You can choose Sort Order by selecting Ascending or Descending by alphabetical order.